Yo, what's up everybody? So on Dave's Garage channel, there's a bunch of comments like saying, is it just my impression or was the script of this video AI assisted in writing? There were lots of word choices that smell like AI. And there's just a crap ton of people on all of his recent videos saying, second cut to AI slop clip, great video, but the AI clips really detract. My mind has to shift gears so hard. Just skip the AI slop, but the AI clips detract. And also some people saying that the scripts are from ChatGPT. Then at around 7 minutes and 36 seconds, you can see the internal heap status. It says IAF all, free space marked as unavailable. You see the IAF all. The AI had a stroke right there. I don't like the ChatGPT style nature of the script in this video. AI dominates your voice. Please stop using it on your scripts. You sound like everyone else now. All the same AI bullshit. I stopped listening after 128 because the AI text was giving me a headache. What was this?
A crypto wallet is not really a wallet.
Oh, I forgot about this. Yeah, look at this fucker.
Play the part of the victim. A crypto wallet is not really a wallet in a leather and receipt sense. It's more like a pen that can sign checks.
Yeah, fuck
money
that.
or more.
Yo, this guy says, when do we? Okay, no, that's not it. He says, fuck, where is it? Okay, 15 minutes of AI slop coming out of a human mouth. Jesus Christ. And then right down here, why use AI to write your script? Okay, so for this video, while your new computer is slower than your old computer, around 225, he switches to this video right here, and I download. Okay, so let's take a look at the video, and then let's go over the faces.
It's like the old Monty Python song.
Every bite is sacred. Every bite is great. When a bite is wasted, God gets quite irate. Every bite is sacred.
Okay, so let's do some interactive zoom. I want you to look at this chick's face right here. If I can zoom in on her a little bit.
Every bite is great. When a bite is wasted.
Those lips and mouth are crazy deformed. And then there's also another girl back here. Let's take another peek.
Monty Python song.
Every bite is sacred.
Okay, so it's this girl right here. Golly, this might be one of the worst I've seen. This chick right here, watch her face.
Python song.
Every bite is sacred. Every bite is great. When a bite is wasted, God gets quite irate.
Ay, okay.
Every bite is sacred. Every bite is great. When a bite is wasted, God gets quite irate. Every bite.
Here's another one at around 224.
On the GUI timer firing precisely, which on Windows is already a little like trusting a metronome to stay perfectly steady while it's riding in the back of a pickup truck on a pothole-filled dirt road.
Okay, so you guys see that right there. Watch.
A metronome to stay perfectly steady while it's riding in the back of a pickup truck on a pothole-filled dirt road.
What the hell is that thing doing? Let's go back.
Instead, while it's riding in the back of a pickup truck on a pothole-filled dirt road.
What the hell is that?
Instead, Taskmaster.
What the?
For the AI nerds in the audience, our tokens go into an embedding.
So this is a processing flow image that he used here, and if you look right here, embedding layer, and then right here, embedding. Also see right here the double S, capital S, lowercase s. This one we got the Gemini logo right here. Then on this video in the beginning, it's an AI animation.
Blockchain, no glowing green hacker terminal, no hooded figure brute forcing elliptic curve cryptography in a base.
You see this guy's finger right here? It doesn't move up or down at all. He's like, he lost functionality to his fucking finger.
By too many monitors. And yeah,
that is not a natural typing motion at all.
Brute forcing.
And then right here, it's 1040 the entire time.
Elliptic curve.
And you can also see here at around 5 seconds, watch when he key presses with his finger. The button doesn't go down at all. There's no press.
One password. There was no compromised private key. There was no 0 day in the blockchain, no glowing green.
The keys don't move. You can better see it right here at around 4 seconds. Watch his right hand. right there. There's no up and down movement on the keyboard. The button does not get pressed at all. And this is on his recent video 4 hours ago. Got the Gemini logo, the bottom right. Ah, shit. Alright, so I think this is my last one because I'm getting kind of a headache.
Or that appear in Task Manager while appearing to do absolutely nothing helpful. If every thread has to grab one global heap block for every allocation, then
right here, the text right here is all garbled. Same for that one. 2 Phoenix, LA, Jacksonville, and then these street lights right here I don't think are correct. There's 4. There's only 3 lanes. Although I'm not really like a traffic management control person. I have no idea. I really am not good at it. But I don't think that looks right at all right there. That looks really symmetrical. But this whole image is fucked. There's probably a bunch of other stuff in it. But yeah, I just feel like huge headache coming on me looking at all this shit. It's like a fucking cancer, dude. It's like a poison, man. I feel sick. I just can't watch this shit. Because every time I see it, I'm like, dude, it's just fucking AI shit. Ugh.